Welcome back to Dollar Tree. Look at these Dollar Tree jars to store all your dry goods. They're airtight too. If you have a small space, you're going to love this video. Welcome back to Organized Mom. We're starting out in the kitchen. I am going to share with you tons of ideas you probably haven't thought of before. Did you know Dollar Tree sells these simple kitchen towels? Super Score, hidden in the office section, are these magnetic hooks. This is by the brand Jot. These are fantastic. Nothing makes me happier than me to know that you grabbed something that I also found on a shelf and tried it in your home, and it worked amazingly. I also really love these giant glass jars. When you see them, you can fit a 16-ounce package perfectly. The glass selection has tons of options. I love these just because they have a real nice airtight seal. Now for some bathroom products I really think you're going to like. Dollar Tree has some incredible acrylic storage. The office section is what's up for any type of organization. A brand new find are these. I love how stiff these are. They're made of felt. I really like the color. You could use these in an office organization, a bathroom organization. The sky is the limit. Dollar Tree really stepped it up with the woven storage. These are so pretty. The next ideas are great for organizing your cleaning products. An idea for organizing your cleaning products are pegboards. Dollar Tree has a whole pegboard section. They have different colors and attachment pieces. There's a lot of ways you can use this. I'd love to know your ideas. They sell amazing wallpapers here. You can put this on the bottom of your cupboard. And up next, I want to share with you crafting items. I want to share with you some of my favorite Crafter Square finds. The first is name brand glue, like this tacky glue, as well as Mod Podge. I love their glue sticks, which are a really great deal. Their foam brushes are awesome too. Toby wants to share with you his craft score.
Pencil sharpener, notebook, and crayons.
He is so proud of his score. Follow your heart. I'll catch you soon.